Hi guys, welcome to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about function in JavaScript. So in our part 1 we have already covered function without argument, and in this chapter we are going to cover function with argument. So this type of function is usually used when you want to call function and pass value into function argument. While calling the function, the value will be dynamic. Write code once and use anywhere. Save time. So let's take an example of function here. Here I created a function called calculate salary, and then there are two parameters, salary and total days. Because of this parameter, this is called function with argument. And in our previous example, there was no any parameter in the function. So there are two parameters, one is salary and another one is total days. That means we are going to make a very small program in which it will calculate the salary. So here I've declared a function, declared a variable per day which will calculate total salary divided by 30. In this way we'll get 1 day's salary, where net salary total days into per day, and this way we will get the net salary. Now document write get element by id, result inner HTML, then strong salary and your net salary, this one. So let's uh, check its practical example. So let's start to build this small calculator. Then start HTML head title. In the title we've written calculate salary, and then div id result, and this is the id where result will be loaded after calculation. Table, then tr, enter salary, and then there are one text box called salary, and then id salary. Enter total days, that means how many days one has worked. So here the user will enter total days, and ultimately there is a button, input type button, and value calculate salary 1. On click, after clicking, what will happen? Calculate salary document.get element by id salary. That means the value of this text box will be fetched here, and then the value of this text box will be fetched here. Ultimately in this function we are passing argument. So for example it will be like this. So it will be like this. Total salary say 10,000, and then 20 days he has worked. Now let's check into the browser. So I have saved actually it into the JavaScript file function with argument. You can see this is the text box where we will enter salary, say 10,000, and then here total days. Suppose one has worked 19 days. Okay. Now we will calculate it using JavaScript function and function with argument. So this value will, now let's check the JavaScript part. So here we have declared a function, created one function, custom function called calculate salary, and then inside we have passed argument. So let's see how this will work actually. So here this value will go to here, and this value will go to here, and ultimately this salary and those total days here we are calculating, and this salary we are calculating here. So here we'll get per day salary. Okay, and salary divided by 30. That means if one has worked 20 days, so it will be divided 30 of total salary, then per day salary will be calculated, and net salary will be calculated here, and ultimately we will show the salary here. Now let's check. Okay, so your salary is 10,000 and your net salary is 6,333. As you can see, it is calculating perfectly. So this thing we have achieved through function with argument in JavaScript. So hope you understand, and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe in YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.